how to set any song as a ringtone on an Android phone. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the settings on your mobile phone. As soon as you open settings, scroll down and click on the sounds and vibration option. Once you click on it, then you need to click on the ringtone option. Then from here, you need to select your SIM. For example, right now I'll click on SIM number 1, and here you will see all the ringtones you have used before. They will be available here. Also, all the ringtones from Samsung or whichever Android device you have will be available here. After that, if you want to set a song as your ringtone, you need to click on the plus icon that you see in the top right corner. From here, you need to find your song. For example, I will select this song here, and after that, you need to click on the done option. As soon as you click on done, you see that the song has been set as your ringtone. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.